Welcome everyone. Let me show you 4 methods of making fast sum calculation on Excel. The most widely used method is the use of the sum formula. Type equals to and then sum, select the column. And there you have it. You can drag it to the rest of the columns for sum of all. The second method is a default setting in Excel where you can select the column that you need to sum and then have a look at the ribbon of Excel to see that the sum has been calculated for you automatically. You can also see that average has been calculated and the number of cells selected are also shown in the ribbon. A very useful feature. The third method is another useful feature that you can find in later versions of Excel such as Office 365 and Office 2016. Select the complete area for which you need to calculate sum. And Excel automatically shows a menu. Go to the menu, then select Tools and you can find here a plethora of options to calculate sum, average, count, percentage difference between the values. Not only that, you can also calculate all such values for the rows of your selection. A really nifty trick. The last method that I will show you is the option available at the Home tab titled Auto Sum. Click on a cell under a column or at the end of a row, then click on Auto Sum to automatically enter the formula, hit enter and that is it. You can also use this method to calculate average and percentage from the same drop-down menu. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Visit my channel to see more such tricks. Like and subscribe.